तुझे ठुम्बे शिंसा क्या कर शेठा तुथो
हिमालयी जेबे नावे खिंसे केखा भाबे जाजे थामसा 시들레기 그네
나린다가 미다나 갸가리베 디네기 빈두타체 두마이 가웨 중수 제바갸
World Central Land, a cradle of civilization, birthplace of world's teachers. We salute you, incredible India. Even before the Common Era, as profound knowledge flourished, including the Vedas and the Tripitaka, India remains most advanced.
이리까지 대배마 라베베모 니 그대 야가쇼나 미마라 도제까지 제시슈 두제까지 까진 제 두제까지 제오
Especially due to time's degeneration, when both Tibet and its people were assailed by hostile forces. It is India that came to our relief. Half a century has gone by. Today we commemorate this passage. Thank you, incredible India.